UN, we have to... UN, can you read the directions for us? Determine. Thank you. Alright, what's step number 1, UN? Okay, everyone put your finger on it. That's what we got to do. This is going to go way over there. Class, I'm going to write this number and set it equal to 0. X is equal to? X is equal to? 1. Raise your hand if you got 1. Okay, we worked on that last week. That's turning a factor into a 0. Step number 2. Brandon, can you read the directions for us on your formula sheet? Coefficients. Class, what number's in front there? So 1. What goes here? -3. 1. What goes next? Plus 8. Step number 3. Yelissa. Bring down the first term. So let's bring down the first term. And we're just going to write what number here, class? 1. Eric, what's the next step? Let's multiply diagonally. Class, 1 times 1? 1. And the answer goes right here. What's the next step? Amy? Yeah, we're going to add down. Class, -3 plus 1? -2. And then basically what we're repeating is just multiply, add, okay? Class, 1 times -2? Add down.
4.
Multiply.
4.
Add down.
-8.
Multiply.
-8.
Add down.
0.
Okay, with your partner, take 20 seconds and tell me what do we write below the arrows. Alright, there are 2 ways. I only showed you guys one, and I'll show you a second way. I said 1 less degree, so this is going to be what class? 1x to the third. Now, put your finger on the remainder. This is your remainder, right? So you can also go this direction. This is your constant. Does that make sense? That's another way of thinking about it. This is your remainder. Cover it up. Well, essentially, that's just going to be plus 0 to the what? X minus 1, and this will be -8. Then you're adding your x's, right? 4x, -2x squared, 1x to the third. And that works, doesn't it? It's 1 less degree if we went this direction.
Even though it's a 0 to be sent
At least you know where it comes from. And then we're going to do the second part. So this is my quotient remainder, and it says write the dividend. So my dividend is all of that. Let's write it. Is that a plus 6? Super small. Oh no, I ran out of space. This is my quotient times, I ran out of space. Normally you write the divisor there, but I'll write over here. You guys like synthetic division?
Yes.
Better?
Yes.
But hopefully you appreciate the long. You still know how to do the long. Now you know the synthetic.